Welcome. In front of me is a MOTOROLA Edge 40, and today I'll show you how you can enable and also set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be the Do Not Disturb mode. Now it could be on one of the pages, so just keep on swiping to the left till you find your Do Not Disturb mode. Now either I am blind or it's just not added. No, there it is. So it was actually on the first page, Do Not Disturb. So once you see this toggle, if you're doing this the very first time, I recommend holding the toggle. This will quickly take you to the settings, and here you can customize how it will function. So I'm gonna start off with the people. This will allow you to select who can call you or message you. And going back, we have schedule. This will allow you to set up an automatic schedule, so the mode turns on and off based on the provided day of the week and start and end time. Now, going back to it, if you're planning to use this, just make sure you toggle it on in here, and that's all you would need to do. And then another important option right here is the duration for quick settings, and this will be very useful for everyone who is just going to enable the Do Not Disturb mode occasionally. Maybe you're going to like a business meeting and you need to turn it on for that short period of time. I recommend for that selecting the timed one, so for 1 hour, and for instance just add like several more hours to cover the time that you will most likely need it for, plus a little bit extra. Now the reason I recommended this is because if you're enabling this occasionally, you most likely will also forget about this mode afterwards. And this option right here will ensure that once you forget about it and the business meeting is, for instance, done, phone will turn off the Do Not Disturb mode for you after the time that you have selected right here. So even when you forget about it, the phone will just turn it off later on for you anyway. Otherwise, this mode would be running indefinitely in the background until you remember about it. So those are primarily all the options that I would focus on and that might be important. The rest of them are just kind of whatever, so preferential. If you find something that you want to change, go right ahead. But for everyone else, I'm just gonna close this, and whenever you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, simply find the toggle, tap on it, and because I'm using this timed one, it tells me that it's going to be running till 6:06 p.m. and afterwards it's just gonna automatically turn off. Now I can still turn it off myself before that time by just tapping on the toggle once again. And for the people that are using this on a schedule, once you set it up, that's all you would need to do. You don't need to do anything extra outside of that. So with that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.